In this video, we will review the SQL Having Clause. The Having Clause filters records that were summarized by group by results. The Having Clause must come after the group by statements, and it returns only records fulfilling the having criteria. The where and having clause can also be in the same query, but you can see the where clause operates with the group by clause, and having clause filters group by results. So here's the syntax for a basic having statement. Select your column from your table, group by, then your having condition, and also in combination with your where clause, select column from your table name, where condition, group by your column, and having conditions. So let's go over a couple examples of using the having clause. First, we're going to use this basic query. We're selecting color, reorder point, list price from the product table. Then we're grouping by color, reorder point, and list price. So let's execute that one. And we do have nulls at the beginning, but you can see it's grouping by color, reorder point, and list price. Now let's add in a having statement. So we're going to add having, and we're going to use list price. And we're going to say list price greater than 100. We're going to execute. And now our results, we don't have any list price that are less than 100. Now you could have used a where clause for that. So let's do a better example to show the use of having statement. We'll use it with the where clause. So we're going to sum the list price, and then add a where clause, and we're going to change reorder point and we're going to have reorder point be between 0 and 200. So now the sum will be on all of the values with a reorder point between 0 and 200, and then the list price will have to be above 100. So now we have reorder points that are between 0 and 200, and then we have list price that are greater than 100. So you see, if we take that out again, we have the extra reorder point groups. So let's put that back in. And let's say we want to have all the groups above, list price above 1,000. So right now we have 24 rows, but we want to filter down the groups to groups above 1,000. And so the having filters down the groups so that the groups are now all above $1,000 for the list price of the sum. So your where statement is filtering for your sum for your groups, and your having is filtering among your group aggregations. So that's the benefits of the having statement. After you've done your calculations for groups, you could then filter down on your groups. And that is the basic syntax for your having clause.